Guys, in this video we will see how to stop location tracking from sites on your Mozilla Firefox browser. If you are using my Mozilla Firefox browser and want to stop sites from tracking your location, then here are the process. Open Firefox browser and click on three horizontal line against top right corner and choose settings. Thereafter, from the left side menu, you will find the option privacy and security. Click on it. Thereafter, scroll down and look for the option cookies and site data. Under go to permissions. Here you will find the option location. Click on settings and block new requests asking to access your location. Make the check against this option and click on save changes. In future, if you want to enable this feature, again go to settings and uncheck this feature and click on save changes. That's all.